everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Wednesday morning. It is shortly after 7 o'clock. We have an air quality alert or an air quality warning, however you want to look at it. It's in place for most of the state of Nebraska through noon tomorrow, although the worst of it is going to happen during the day today. Now, southwest Nebraska, I'm not sure why, but they're not included, even though the air is not, it's just as bad there as it is everywhere else. We have visibility restrictions down around 2, 3, 4 miles from much of the state of Nebraska because of smoky conditions out there. But you kind of see it. Smoke or air quality alerts are a little bit done a little bit different compared to other warnings and watches and things like that. They're done by state. And so you see South Dakota, North Dakota not included, Kansas not included, Iowa's not included. So not all states issue out air quality alerts. Nebraska just started doing this this summer. But they some issue out air quality alerts for smoke, others do not. Well, the rest of our viewing area might as well be included as well. It is widespread. It is very smoky this morning. It's going to be a smoky day today. Otherwise, skies are clear outside of that. There is no cloud cover. That's all scooting to the east. Winds will be much lighter today. There's an area of high pressure here near southwest Nebraska that's going to drift into central Nebraska as the day goes on. You see the slow clockwise rotation around it here. So here's the clockwise rotation, a northerly wind over eastern Nebraska. It'll be lighter later today, and a light southerly wind out here to the west. So with this light wind, nothing to really move the air around. The smoke will remain very thick today. Tonight remains mostly clear, but probably a little smoky overnight. Tomorrow morning, we start to pick up on a southeasterly wind. That wind's going to pick up tomorrow a little bit, and that might help to scour out some of the smoke a little bit. So I don't think it will be as bad tomorrow. Tomorrow night, some of that smoke clears out even a little bit more. Then the focus turns towards a chance of rain and thunderstorms, especially across northern and eastern areas as we head through the evening and overnight hours. There's 9 o'clock in the evening there. Small chance in the Tri-Cities. Not a very good chance, but we have a chance. Better chances to the north and to the east, and some of that may even linger in eastern Nebraska early on Friday morning, while the rest of us farther to the west will be dry to start off our Friday. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted parts of the area with a marginal risk of severe storms. That's a low end 1 out of 5 risk, level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather from about the Tri-Cities north and northeastward here. Main threats look to be large hail and severe wind gusts. Temperatures today. Upper 70s and low to mid 80s for highs. Now this is a bit of a crapshoot because it will kind of depend on the smoke. It may be thick enough to block out enough sun to keep us a little cooler. So I would not be surprised if all these numbers here on this map are maybe just a little bit lower just because of the smoky conditions. Tomorrow morning, back into the upper 40s and low to mid 50s. Another cool start to our day. Highs on your Thursday, we do start to warm up for the end of the week, mid to upper 80s and lower 90s for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, just a touch warmer, but still not bad, 50s to some lower 60s out there. And then looking ahead to our Friday, we're back into the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s once again. How about that extended forecast? Well, there's good news down the road. One, if you're a fan of fall, we got fall-like weather down the road beyond this 3-day forecast. And I know most of us are getting desperate for rain. There are better chances down the road. We have the small chance Thursday night. Much better chances will arrive. Now, we got a small chance Saturday. Saturday's still going to be a warm day out there. And then Saturday night, the chances will increase, especially later in the night. And this will continue off and on Sunday, Sunday night, and Monday. We could see some more widespread rain for a lot of our area during that time frame. And look at the temperatures come down early next week. 70s on Sunday. How about struggling to even get to 70 on Monday, September 11th? Tuesday, if that forecast holds right there, that's a good looking day right there. Upper or low 70s, lots of sunshine. That's the first day of Husker harvest days. At this point, it does look like it should be dry there. Now, maybe a chance by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see. But temperatures don't look to warm up anytime soon here. We'll still be in the 70s for most of next week. The end of next week may be back into the mid and upper 70s, but that's still not bad going into the middle of September. So looking pretty good out there. As we get down the road, hopefully we pick up on some good rain as well. But again, the big issue today, the smoke. That's going to be a big problem all across the area. So if you do suffer from breathing difficulties, things such as asthma, might be a good idea to stay indoors as much as possible today as we do struggle with the air quality out there. And again, I don't think it'll be thick enough that we're talking about something where you can't see driving, but still not a pleasant day out there with the smoky conditions. All right, I want to thank you all for watching on this Wednesday morning. I will see you all again on Thursday with all of the latest Until then, take care and God bless. Bye.